Are you looking for a way to uninstall an application on your computer? Watch this video to learn how to do it. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove and uninstall an application on Windows. First, open the control panel. There are two ways to open the control panel window. The first way, you select the Start icon on the taskbar. Then enter the control panel keyword into the search box. Then select the control panel icon. The second way, you press the Windows plus or key combination. Then, the Run window will appear. Then you enter the control panel search box. Then press the OK button. After opening the control panel, click Programs. Select Uninstall a program. Below is the list of applications that are being installed on your computer. Here I will find and uninstall the TeamViewer app. All you need to do is click on the app you need to uninstall. Then right-click and select Uninstall. The system's uninstall confirmation dialog box will be displayed. Choose Yes to continue. Here the TeamViewer uninstall dialog will be displayed. You can choose to remove all settings or not by checking this checkbox. Then click Uninstall. Wait a moment and your application will be deleted from the computer. Once finished, click on the Close button to complete. In some applications, the uninstall dialog interface may vary, so choose the option that best fits your preference. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.